and I was going to show you the weather right now. Grey and depressing. It looks like I just brought the Amsterdam skies to Germany. Fantastic. And also I've got another privacy room looking right over into the other people's rooms. What's with Europe and their hotels all facing each other? I guess there's a space problem. But anyway, I'm not going to complain. I'm in Germany. I'm here to have fun. I'm here to drink beer, meet people. I booked a fun beer tour today, so I'm going to check out some of the breweries. And I've got a friend I met in Amsterdam who's joining me. She's from Egypt, and she's over in Cologne, and she's catching a train over as we speak. So see you soon in the streets of Dusseldorf. The grey streets. The grey, rainy streets. The German food, it's always so heavy, so I'm going to find a nice healthy breakfast. But I just want to point out something. Apparently Muhammad Ali has his own pizza shop, or maybe it's just his favourite pizza. Couldn't imagine Muhammad Ali coming to Dusseldorf to eat pizza, but don't question it. Anyway, let's hope this breakfast is good. Weather appropriate shashuka. They wanted me to sit up there, by the way, and I thought I like the centre of attention, but it's just a bit awkward for me to get up there, so I think it's safe right down here and enjoy my warm meal. See these red marks? This is what happens every time I order shashuka. White and red sauce just don't go together. Lesson learned. Actually, I really learned because I've never learned. I always do it. Thank God I've got a washing machine in my room. Anyways, story of my life. So we're in the main square in Dusseldorf. I met up with my friend from Egypt, Maria. I'll get it right. And yeah, we're just checking out the main square. There's just a lot of grey buildings, grey sky. Pretty much like Berlin. It's a grey country. We're gonna find some colour. Oh look, Maria, we've got some colour here. Is that enough colour for you? What do you reckon, enough colour?
Yes.
I don't think she's impressed either. But you know what she will be impressed with? Beer! So we're gonna go to the river, get a beer, and check out apparently the main tourist attraction in Dusseldorf, this beautiful river. I think it's called the Rhine River, and it's the place to be, where all the bars are. So let's find out. Yep, this is the river. You enjoy it? Mary's not impressed. No, Mary, there's another river down that way. I got a bit scared for a minute there, but I'll tell you what, I would not swim in there if you paid me to. Look at that, jeez. I complained about Lake Como being green. Then I complained about the canals being green, but that actually wins the greenest water award. I think if you jump in there, you come out with things growing off you. But anyway, we're about to see the big river that everyone comes to Dusseldorf to hang around and have drinks by. And here we go. Are you guys ready? There we go, the Rhine River. It's a big ass bridge.
Nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Mary says it's nice. It gets Mary's stamp of approval. And down that way is where all the bars are. So that's where I'll be heading. I'm a little bit worried though, because there's all bars along here and they're all closed. Does everything close during wet weather? I don't know, but I hope not, because it looks like it's gonna be a whole lot of grey skies and rain while I'm here. So yeah, I'm gonna need some warm drinks to keep me warm. Nice building with flowers. I really should have booked that walking tour so I know what I'm looking at, but it's a nice horse and it's a nice building with flowers. I'm not going to tell you what it is, or maybe it's a government building, but it's probably the nicest thing I've seen around here, because everything else is just grey, pubs, and a river. That's about it. So hopefully the nightlife's a lot better, because right now it's very lacking. What do you reckon, Maria? You're disappointed with Dusseldorf?
Yes.
We're very disappointed, but this is the main square, so yeah, take note. This is what you're gonna see. Is it worth a photo? Probably not. Let's go get a drink. She's over it, look at that. She's like, I caught a train all the way here to look at one building with flowers and a man on a horse. Yeah, I'm sorry. That's all Dusseldorf has to offer. But it has a nice beer. They have a traditional Dusseldorf beer here. I don't know what it's called, but it's a dark beer and it tastes nice. So that's a plus. And I think it's time for that beer right now. It's beer o'clock. Cathedral in the distance we see. See a big tower up there. Might be a nice church or cathedral. What do you reckon? You want to check out the cathedral?
Yes.
I don't know. She doesn't sound too excited. Do you want to drink instead?
I don't want to walk anymore.
She doesn't. She's done. She's done with walking. She's sick and tired of it. It's enough exercise one day. I reckon it's beer o'clock.
We have been walking for like, what, 3 hours?
Yes. No, 3 hours. Yeah, but it's still a few more hours to our pub crawl, so we'll try and kill time. Anyway, let's go get a drink. I think you deserve that. Let's do it. No cathedrals today. I've seen enough cathedrals in Italy anyway. Look at these trees. Are these trees pretty? I was about to say these trees are pretty, but there's a lot of homeless people around them that kind of ruin the ambience. Yeah. Maybe it's not the sort of place we should be hanging out and vlogging. Let's get out of here and find a nice bar. Use a e-bike for the first time. This is either going to go really well or really bad. Stay tuned. I'm going to go get my bike. Where is it? I've got a Bolt. So this is also my first time on a scooter, so wish me luck. Don't crash. Oh, she got stage fright. So far so good. Zero crashes. Note to self, do not ride on this ground here in Europe because it is a bumpy hell of a ride and it's no fun on a scooter. But we're on a proper bike path now, so it should be all clear sailing from here onwards. And she's happy because she's not walking anymore, and I'm happy because I got to do something other than drink beer and walk around in this grey, depressing city. All right, let's go have some fun. Trying to decide if there's a good spot for a nice little beer along our bike ride, or should we keep going and see what else is down the street? Because it's a pretty cool little bike track. I've got to give it credit. They've done this bike track well, and it looks like it's going to head to a bit more action. What do you reckon? You want to keep going? See where it leads, and we'll find a nice little bar in the river and have a drink.
Yes.
There we go. Bike rides and beers. Perfect combination. Let's do it. So I found a big, beautiful park with some big, beautiful geese, and they're blocking my path, so I'm going to have to hop off and push it along because I don't want to run over one of these beautiful, angry-looking birds. Hey, buddy. Where's my friend? Is she keeping up? There she goes. Make way for the crazy Egyptian bike rider, guys. She's coming in hot. Come in, Mary. And this is right along the river. It's a nice little ride. Probably one of the nicest things to do here in Dusseldorf. It'd be 10 times nicer if it was a nice sunny day, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. We take what we can get. And she's here. You like the birds?
I thought they are ducks.
They're not ducks, they're geese. Geese. They're ducks on steroids. And look, nice big river. Pretty cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice little ride. Nice little afternoon after all. It's not all just dark buildings and beer. We make our own fun. Anyway, these birds are having the time of their lives. All right, I reckon we go to the end of this park and we deserve our beer now. We deserve our beer. You ready? Let's do it. You're not impressed? No, she's not impressed by the Gothic architecture and sculptures of Dusseldorf. She's a tough critic, I tell you what. Whether she likes the beer. Ready for the beer?
Yes.
Yes, that's what she wants, beer. I think this horse needs a beer more than us. All right, let's go. I've wasted enough of her time. She did a good job. She didn't crash many times. There was a crash, but you didn't see it, so it didn't happen. Didn't happen on camera, it didn't happen. All right, let's go get our drink. So we found the perfect spot along the river to grab a beer and reward ourselves after a hard day's riding on electric bikes. They did all the hard work. After a long day bike riding, we reward ourselves with a traditional Dusseldorf beer, not Cologne beer. Don't get them mistaken because they'll be very upset. But it is a wheat beer, just this one's dark. And I've got to say, don't tell the Cologne people, but it's delicious. Cheers. City, we've got a beautiful little canal here. It's green, yeah, but look at the colours. Sometimes when it's stormy and grey, it makes a good photo still. Take note. Cheers. First beer of the pub crawl.
You see, it's really dark brown.
Delicious.
Yeah, and I would like to explain you how this works in the storage tanks and the fermentation tank, etc.
You know how to make your own beer now? Yeah, you gonna make your own beer? I don't think she's impressed.
No, not at all.
She wants to drink beer, not learn about it. Too much learning for one day. She's worse than me. She's worse than me when I was in school. She's actually worse than me. I didn't think anyone was worse than me. She's worse than me. Second brewery, second beer. Cheers. Go on, be happy, Maria. She's upset, she's learning too much. She doesn't want to learn, she just wants to drink. She sounds like me when I was in school. Oh, she's not happy, but I'm happy. I love watching her just get frustrated while she hears and learns about the process of the beers and the history of the buildings, and I'm just like, I must be old because I'm into it. Anyway, cheers. She thinks that wall looks like her mum's bathroom. Her mum likes some interesting colours for her bathroom. Gotta check out these Egyptian toilets. Anyway, off to the next brewery.
Well, the second option is you directly.
We're in like the most famous final beer spot of the night. She's happy because we don't have to listen to any more of the history of beer. We can just drink and eat and party now. So it's party time, final beer, cheese, to a productive day, and let's see where the night takes us. Boom. Prince and Princess of Dusseldorf, and they get a photo together and actually come to this pub. These are all their photos. That's 1978 and 1970 out there, 1971, 1980. But they get hotter over in the later years. 2000? It's not bad. Oh, you like the 98 one? No. No, you don't like the 98 one? What about 95 one? They're a bit older actually for a Prince and Queen. They're pushing it, that one. They're one of the oldest Prince and Princesses I've ever seen, but 95. Hell of a year. They pump out beers like it's nothing, honestly. Literally, it's part of their religion, pumping out beers. Oh, no photos. I can't explain this. I ordered this food literally 2 minutes ago and it was out. That's what I call service. Anyway, we're at the most famous brewery and beer hall in Dusseldorf, and it's called The Key. Check it out. I'm about to try my meal. It's great. I recommend it to you. Apparently she ordered a margarita. That is not a margarita. I'm sticking to the fail safe. I'm buying a rum. We've done a little pub crawl. Checked out a few little bars. Nothing was happening on a Monday night. Surprise, surprise, it is a Monday night and it's raining and it's depressing. But luckily, we're at the train station. So I know where my hotel is. The key to knowing where your hotel is you book it right near the train station. You're not close. So yes, we're safe to go and find our way home because all roads point to the train station. And one thing I'll give Dusseldorf credit for, compared to Amsterdam, is that it's quite safe to walk around at night. There's not too many dodgy people out and the streets are pretty safe. So yeah, points to Dusseldorf for being nighttime safety. You feel safe, Maria?
Yeah, I do.
You feel safe. More safe than Amsterdam?
Yeah, for sure. Anything will be more safe than Amsterdam.
Anything will be more safe than Amsterdam. Wow. Amsterdam winning any points tonight. Anyway, I think that's about the end of my exploration of Dusseldorf. Because to be honest, it's a small town. Yeah, it's got nice beer. Yeah, it's got a big river, but there ain't nothing else. There is not much else to do. That's it, apart from drinking beer and forgetting all the memories of the past. And that's it. Good night.